Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this T-FLEX analysis training course, and the topic that we are going to see today, it's called the addition of loads and restraints. I've opened one of the examples that T-FLEX installs with the standard installation of the software. And I've opened this example. It's one study, a simple one. So the idea is to show you how to make the addition of these loads and restraints. In fact, to modify the specified loads or restraints, we can use one command called edit. And this command is available in the context menu that you can access with your right mouse click. So when we go to this tree, we open either the restraints or the loads, and the entries you have here concerning each of what is defined. So in this particular case, I have a full restraint here, so I will make a click with my right mouse button, and I will open edit. And when I click edit, I access the same dialog box that I have when I'm creating a new restraint in this particular case. But if I do the same for the load, the principle is the same. Let me do it. Okay. I have also access to the dialog box that defines the parameters in this particular case for the load. So this is something that in terms of the addition of what is defined, it is very easy, and it requires the same steps in the same places as creating new items concerning again restraints and loads, which are some of the major events that you need to have to complete a study. So this is a very short lesson. I think the explanation is quite simple. Anyway, in case you may need some support or some help, or to clarify something that it's not so clear in this video, reach us through the usual channels, and we will give you all the support that you may require.